Hey guys, alright, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, alright, and watch throughout. So today's video is going to be something that I wanted to try for the longest, but I just didn't know what to do, or not know what to do, but I was just a little hesitant pretty much. So what I'm going to do right now, we are going to try some wig grips. Alright, so I really wanted to try this. I've seen dozens and dozens of YouTube videos about which wig grip to get, what's this, what's that, all of this, okay, and that they hold the wig very well and that the wig doesn't shift or anything, because I guess the wigs shift throughout the day, you know what I'm saying, especially if it's not glued down. So we're going to try it out. So right now I have on this wig, and this doesn't have anything under it, a stocking cap, no nothing, okay, just braids. Alright, and we are going to try this one out first, okay? So let me just show you again. These are the wig grips. We have the cloth kind of velvety wig grip, and then we have the silicone base wig grip. Now they sent me two. I have a clear one and I have a light tan one. Alright, and I'm going to break it down. So I actually wore one of them out before, but I'm just going to give you the rundown. We're just going to try it and then I'll give you my opinion about it. Alright, so right now I'm going to take this wig off. Okay, and this has adjustable straps, so this gets an extra plus for me. Alright, so I like the adjustable strap, the Velcro strap. You put it around your head, it's behind your ears, and bang. Now, I'm just going to pull it behind my, right up to my hairline. Now, again, they come in different colors. This one I got, it's pretty much a very light for my skin color, so I don't know if that was a good idea. But you can always tint it and put makeup on it, which I might spray some makeup on it and see if that works better. Okay, so minus the fact that you can see it through my cap because it's so light. Okay, so I'm gonna have to tint it and put some makeup on it to make it darker. I guess if I made it darker, you wouldn't be able to see it, but okay, my wig is moving. I mean, it's not moving back, but throughout the day, who knows what's gonna happen. Okay. So, I don't really like that it has like this bulge right here, but let me go and tint it and then we could come right back, okay? Let me see if that works. This is what I did. I basically put some lace tints on the actual, and I'll take it off and show you, but I wanted you to see with it on. So, I'm giving this about a 6. Let me put my glasses on so I can really see. The reason why I'm giving this a 6, it's not uncomfortable, it's not tight because I can adjust it myself. The only thing I don't like is how light it is. Now, that could just be because of the actual wig grip that I have, but, I mean, it's okay, so I give this like a 6. I don't know what I said before, but I'll give it a 6. But it's very comfortable, okay? It does not pull, it doesn't hurt, it's not too tight, because like I said, you can adjust it on your own. Alright, but I just don't like the fact that this is too light, so maybe I have to put a little bit more lace tint on it to get it a lot darker, especially at the line of demarcation. I just don't like that. So, and it does, you can see it, it basically, and then you can feel like a little lump, but it, yeah, I don't know. I'm not 100% with it. But I guess I could put some makeup in the part so that way you can't really see it. So that's another option. Okay. As far as it pulling and stuff, like, the wig felt secure. The wig felt secure. Okay. Alright, so, and this is what it looked like. I think I do need a little bit more lace tint to make it a lot darker. But this is what it looks like. Alright, so now we are going to try these. Wish me luck. Okay. So, this is a one size fits all. This is the clear. Yeah. I have my reservations about this. Now, I wore this one whole day. Okay, first of all. If you have edges, just pray that they don't come out when you use this, okay? I don't know what the hell is up with this silicone. I don't know who made this bright ass idea, but I don't agree with having plastic, like a rubber band around your whole hairline. Okay, that's just my one comment already, starting off. Let's go. This part actually isn't as uncomfortable. It's tight, but it's not too tight. Okay, so this is the clear one. Now, as you can see, you can't really see anything under it. Like, literally nothing. So that's also a plus. Alright, that's not bad. See? Hope you can see it. You can't really see anything really going on. And it's not really hurting. It feels snug though. It is a snugger feel than the other one, because of course depending on how tight you want it. But since it's one size fits all, I'm surprised it fits my head. And I'm wondering, if you have a bigger head than I do, how will it fit? Because it's going to be hella tight. So I'm wearing it and I'm moving. I feel secure. I feel secure. I actually like this today. I don't know why I didn't like it the other day, but I'm actually feeling it today. Alright, so we're going to take this one off. I don't know if you can see, but if you can see, I mean, you can't really see that it's on, but you do see a line of demarcation. Okay. Now, oh, I keep doing that and I have a freaking canvas head right here. Okay, so, pros and cons of this. Pros, the wig stays on. It fits your head if you have a small head. I'm a 21 circumference. It's clear, so it doesn't look as bulky, and you can't really see through it with lace, and that's HD lace. Alright, but it didn't happen yet. But wear this sucker for about 4 or 5 hours, yes, you will have holes in your head. And secondly, this takes out some of your hair. Like, it takes out some of your hair. Let's just say that. So you take this off as careful as possible, okay? And I got this from Amazon, so I don't think that I don't know what the real Rig Grip brand is, but how they feel. But yeah, if it's anything like this thing is pulling out your hair. It's basically elastic. It's an elastic band, and I'm finding hair strands all through it, which I don't like. And I hope it's my hair. It could be the weave, but who knows? I feel like it's my hair because I felt it pull. Anyway, so that was my opinion about all of them. This is this one. This one is, let's try this one out too, just as a backup. Yeah, I would suggest putting a stocking cap on first and then putting this around the stocking cap. This one is actually a lot tighter than the clear one. This one's way tighter, like super duper tight. And I put it behind my ear, well, by my hairline. Okay. Sounds like crackle and pop going on. Now this one's actually a lot better, okay, now that I mention it. This one, you can't really see anything. I like this one a lot better because it's neutral. It's just a really tight fit. So if you're going anywhere for more than like 8 hours, I probably wouldn't wear this. But if you're going somewhere for like a couple hours and you don't want the wig to shift, then yeah, definitely wear it. But I wouldn't wear it every single day, all day long, okay? But for the most part, I like it. I'm giving this one a thumbs up. So out of my top choices, we have the Velcro one, and then we have the latex kind of one, the wig grip with little holes in it. They come with holes, so it's supposed to grip to the lace and grip to your scalp and all that, but it don't pull on the wig because you don't want anything to like rip. Take this off very carefully. This one is less noticeable under the wig, especially if you have a lace wig, but if you don't have that much lace showing and you have like a bang or something, then you could probably get away with this one. Which I'll probably wear this one with my bang wig since you can't see the bang. But if I do have a part wig, I'm going to have to use probably this one, alright? But I would recommend wearing a stocking cap under this and putting this over the stocking cap so you're not actually pulling at the edges of your hair for the elastic one. Alright, so that was my little 1-2 about all these little wig bands that you could get to help hold your wig in place for glueless wigs. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Alright, and tell me what other videos you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.